Hey, hi, hello. How it would be if you could do a meditation just for a minute? Come, let's see about this in this video. Hi, this is Aravind, back with the series Switch Pair in a Minute with Aravind. So, first of all, what is meditation? Meditation is nothing but shutting down all your senses and concentrating your attention on a single thing. So, we came to know what is meditation. So, why is it essential to do a meditation? What's the benefit we are going to get out of that? So, ultimately, if you shut your all your senses, the energy that is wasted through multiple senses actually flows in a single direction. So, wherever the mind goes, the energy flows. So, if you concentrate on a positive thought at the time, the positive thoughts multiplies exponentially. So if you concentrate on a negative thought, so again that is going to multiply exponentially. So in meditation, we are putting our attention, we are putting our concentration. So obviously we can control our flow of thoughts so that the maximum amount of energy goes into the thought which we actually wanted to manifest in our life. So why is it difficult for people to do meditation? Like many of them think that it is actually difficult thing. Like many of them think that it is, I don't have that much time, like 20 minutes to spend, like 10 minutes to spend in every day. I don't have that much time. They may say like that. They may say I can't sit in a position for sit in the asana which they are teaching. I can't sit in that position for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, or even 10 minutes. I can't even sit down in the floor. People may give reasons like that. They may say like I don't have the exact place to calm place to sit. They can say that, and they can give any other reasons like I don't know the technique. They may say I don't know how to do a meditation. I didn't learn meditation from any other. So these are the reasons usually most commonly given by them. So but we should know why is it essential. Like if you put your attention into something means actually it doesn't meditation is not for any specific thing. It can improve your health, it can improve your work potential. You can do meditate even just before a minute before dancing or exercising so that you can improve that. You can also like think about whatever your future goals so that you can grow in your life. So it is not restrained to any specific thing. Like with meditation you can manifest almost anything. So this is a simple technique which I would like to say. You need not find a specific place. You can do it wherever you want. You need not find a calm place also. That place might be noisy. That place may lot of people may be coming going. So that is also a not problem. You need not be isolated also. So you need not find a specific position also. You can sit in a position, sit or stand or whatever the position it may be that you are feeling comfortable with, and also. There is no specific time in a day which you could do. You can do at any time. There is no specific prerequisite to do this meditation. Like you should be empty stomach, nothing like that. So this is such a simple technique. So what is the technique means? Like for example, if you are working in an office for 8 hours, so after like 2 hours of working, if you feel like so tired, so extremely exhausted that you feel that you understand that your work potential has come down, so you can just close your eyes. For it's your choice to close your eyes or not, but I would always suggest that you close your eyes because like as you shut down as many senses as possible, like mouth, nose, ear, and eyes, your potential increases. So your all your attention goes into your thoughts. So in that position, in the same position, you can just close your eyes and you can just think, put your thought on whatever the things you want. You can think like for the I'm going to stay here for next 6 hours. So in those 6 hours, I will be like extremely energetic. I'm going to finish the work very fastly. So because of this, I'm going to reach greater heights in my office. So you can think all the positive things which you want for a minute, just for a minute. That is more than enough. Or you can just look at your whole body and see that your body has become energized in that minute. So that is more than enough. So if you could do this for a minute, like at your comfort of your own place, time, and everything. So for example, if you're working for 8 hours and you do it every 1 hour, that itself accounts to like almost 8 minutes. That itself is a really good amount of time for meditation. So you can do that. So the ultimate thing will be like no thoughts in your mind. So if there is no thoughts, that is the ultimate thing. But initially it would be difficult for few people. So it is always good to concentrate on you. So to concentrate on the flow of thoughts, to control your flow of thoughts, so that you actually get what you want. So the next thing is if the place is extremely noisy, one thing, and the one more thing can be the place is I have an extremely uncontrolled flow of thoughts. For example, I may think of yesterday, I may think of 5 years before, I may think of 10 days before. So the thoughts are coming. I may think of my mother, I may think of my colleagues, I may think of my old school friends. So lot of thoughts may be coming, lot of positive thoughts may be coming, lot of negative thoughts may be coming. I may be thinking about the serial which I have watched yesterday. So all these thoughts come constantly flows into your mind, and that affects your workflow. So you just sit for a minute, just close your eyes, and again just look at your thoughts, just concentrate, just see what is going in your mind. If you just look at what is going on in your mind as like a viewer or an observer or like an audience, automatically within a minute almost all the thoughts are going to get exhausted. So after that, if you just open your eyes, you won't have any of the previous thoughts which is disturbing in your mind. So this is also one of the good techniques. So if you have something extremely noisy, like some other noise, like for example some song is playing from a far off distance, so that is the only thing you could hear, like that is the most disturbing noise you could hear. You need not concentrate on your flow of thoughts also. You can just put your attention on that song and you can just concentrate on that song, so that your mind is focused towards a single point. So that also has a same benefit as this thing. So we have seen almost like all these things. So your question will be, is it beneficial? Is it actually has any benefits? I would say, what are the things you have learned for thousands of rupees or for lakhs of rupees for 40 minutes or 1 day, 5 day, like for a, you can learn a meditation which you could do continuously for 2.5 hours also. But this 1 minute technique is as efficient and as beneficial as whatever the meditation practice you could be already doing. So if you could master this, if you could master a minute in a perfect way, you could master every other minute in a hour. Like you can master the 60 minutes in an hour. So mastering a minute is more essential than mastering an hour. So if you could do this perfectly, that itself is much beneficial than any other things which you probably know. This is my personal experience and understanding. So leave your comments about this thing if you have any personal experiences. See you in one another useful video like this. Until then, it's Aravind signing off. Bye.